Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to stake your Celestia or TIA tokens. Now, if you received the Celestia airdrop a couple weeks ago, or if you just purchased the token, you might want to stake it instead of just holding it, because that way you can earn a yield on those tokens over time. So as long as you're not planning on selling it anytime soon, it probably makes sense to stake at least a portion of it. So this right here is the Keplr Wallet, and this is where I'm holding my Celestia tokens that I received from the airdrop. So you'll notice that at the top here, there's a button that says stake. And if you click on that, you'll be able to open the Keplr staking dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that. And when you click that button, it's going to pop up telling you to select which chain you want to stake with. So in this case, I have the option to stake with Celestia and Cosmos Hub, but this video is obviously about Celestia. And you'll see that the staking APR right now is almost 20%, although I'm pretty sure that that won't remain that high for very long. But if we click on the Celestia chain, then we have to select a validator that we want to delegate our TIA tokens to. And this validator is the one that actually is operating the staking service, and they're taking a small commission for doing so. Now you notice on the right-hand column here, commission, it tells you how much that they will take for staking your TIA tokens. And some of them are charging a ridiculous commission. So for example, 100% of the rewards if you stake with Bitcoin Suite. But others have much more reasonable offerings. So for example, Coinbase Cloud is offering staking for 10%. Now I definitely recommend staking with one of the ones that is in the top 10 or 20. You can see how many tokens they have delegated to them. And usually that is a sign of a trustworthy validator, although that's not the only factor. And if you want to learn more about what these validators are, then you can do a little bit of extra research. So for example, if we wanted to learn more about p2p.org, because they offer a 5% commission rate, which is the lowest that we've seen so far, and also they have 19 million TIA tokens delegated to them, so that's a sign that a lot of people do trust them. Well, we can do some extra research as well, see that they have a lot in total assets staked, not just on Celestia, but also Ethereum. And these guys seem like a relatively reputable validator. So if we go back over to the Keplr dashboard, I think I'm going to select them to delegate my TIA tokens to. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, when you click on the validator that you've selected, it pops up and shows you the details. So there's the chain, the expected commission, and the return that you would get for staking with them. Also important to note here that when you stake Celestia tokens, and it's the same for Cosmos tokens, Atom tokens as well, then there's a 21-day unstaking or unbonding period. So if you need to use the tokens or sell them at any point in the next 3 weeks, obviously don't stake it, and just factor that in whenever you're thinking about trying to sell your tokens, because you will have to wait 21 days to unstake them. Anyways, when you're ready to proceed, you hit the button that says stake, and then I'm going to choose how much to stake. So let's say I just want to stake half of the tokens that I have, so 50 TIA tokens. I'm going to go ahead and do that, hit on the stake button, and then it's going to pop up in the Keplr wallet asking me to confirm this transaction. There'd be a very, very small network fee of 20 cents to confirm this, and I'll confirm it in my hardware wallet, which is linked to this account. So I'll hit approve, and then sign the transaction on my Ledger wallet. And the transaction is now approved. So here is my staking dashboard, and it shows the total assets that I have staked. I have some Atom, but also I have those Celestia tokens staked as well. And then when there's rewards that are available to claim, you can come back here and claim them. And also remember, of course, there's that 21-day unstaking period. So that is how you stake Celestia tokens. Quite simple if you use the Keplr wallet, and you'll earn a decent APR on that over time. Probably better than just sitting on it and earning nothing. And then also, if you have itchy fingers and you're thinking about selling your crypto assets all the time, well, just remember that sometimes it's actually better to hold them, because for example, when the airdrop happened a couple weeks ago, the token was trading just over $2, but in the last week and a half to 2 weeks alone, it's gone all the way up to in excess of $6 and pulled a little bit back, trading now around $5.60 per token. So sometimes staking not only gives you the yield, but also prevents you from selling it prematurely. Although of course, the opposite case could be true if the token dumped. But I think Celestia is a really interesting project, and it's one that I'm happy to hold for the medium to long term. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you later.